So this is my 1972 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Just putting it out there, did they ever do an original orange Karmann Ghia? I've not seen one before, but saying that, I haven't really looked on Google or anything as yet. Unless he was painted with the body off years ago. I would say the 70s. So I'm saying that because in the 80s and 90s, it was pink. And I believe they painted it British racing green in the early 2000s. So I'd just like to ask, I've looked on the English V5, there's nothing there. I will get onto VW Heritage in Germany and see if it has shed a light on the original colour. But if you like, tell me in the comments, did they do an original orange? Because under this, well, the pink, that's never, someone's painted over the orange with this, well, like under seal type thing. But I haven't found any orange as yet under the paintwork of the green. Let's check under the dash a minute. See, orange there. So did they make an original orange 72 Ghia? All right. Cheers.